In this video, I'll show you how to create a Payoneer account step by step. First, go to the official Payoneer website and click Sign Up or Register. Payoneer offers accounts for freelancers, online sellers, and businesses. So choose the option that best matches how you plan to use the account. Next, fill in your real details carefully. Payoneer says the email address you enter becomes your Payoneer username, so use an email you can access easily. Then enter your name, date of birth, address, phone number, and create your password. At the end of sign-up, you'll also need to verify your email. After that, wait for Payoneer to review your application. If they need more information, sign in, click your profile icon, go to Settings, then Verification Center, and upload the requested documents. Payoneer's support pages say this is where you submit verification files and account requirements. Once approved, you can start using your Payoneer account to receive business payments, manage balances, and add withdrawal bank accounts from the account dashboard. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.